You work hard for your money. You put in your hours at your job, then you get your paycheck. But wait, what's this? The amount on your paycheck is less than what you expected. Where did the rest of your money go? This, my friends, is the mystery of paycheck deductions. The government takes a portion of your earnings before you even see your paycheck. We'll explore the ins and outs of paycheck deductions in simple terms.
You might be thinking, okay, so some money gets taken out, but I get what's left, right? Well, yes, but understanding these deductions is about more than just knowing where your money goes. It's about taking control of your finances. When you understand your paycheck deductions, you can make informed decisions about your money. You can better plan for your future. Need to save for a down payment on a house? Want to start investing for retirement? Understanding your deductions helps you budget effectively and reach your financial goals.
Plus, knowing how deductions work can save you money come tax time. You can adjust your withholdings if needed. This ensures you're not giving the government an interest-free loan. Knowing your deductions is also about being an informed citizen.
When we talk about taxes, the first thing that usually comes to mind is federal income tax. This is the money that the federal government collects from your paycheck to fund nationwide programs and services. Think of things like national defense, infrastructure projects, and scientific research. All of these are partially funded by your federal income tax. The amount of federal income tax deducted from your paycheck depends on several factors. These can include your income level, filing status, single, married, etc., and the number of dependents you claim. When you start a new job, you fill out a W-4 form. This ensures that the right amount of taxes is being withheld from your paycheck. Now let's unravel another set of abbreviations you'll often see on your pay stub: FICA and Medicare. FICA stands for the Federal Insurance Contributions Act. It's not a tax in itself, but rather a program funded by two separate deductions: Social Security and Medicare. Social Security provides retirement, disability, and survivor benefits to eligible individuals and their families. Medicare provides health insurance coverage for people aged 65 and older, as well as certain younger individuals with disabilities. Both Social Security and Medicare are funded through payroll taxes, which are deducted directly from your paycheck. You'll see these deductions listed separately on your pay stub, but they fall under the umbrella of FICA. These deductions ensure that these crucial programs continue to support millions of Americans who rely on them. Section 1. The Taxman's Puzzle. Federal tax brackets and withholdings. The U.S. tax system operates on a progressive system, meaning the more you earn, the higher the tax rate on your additional income. Think of it like climbing a ladder, with each rung representing a different tax bracket. As your income increases, you move up the ladder to a higher tax bracket, and a larger portion of your income is taxed at that rate. But here's the catch: the entire amount of your income isn't taxed at the highest rate you reach. This system of tax brackets and withholdings ensures that the government collects taxes fairly, based on an individual's ability to pay. Now that we've demystified federal tax deductions, let's move on to another important piece of the puzzle: state taxes. Section 2. Navigating state taxes, a patchwork of deductions. Just when you thought you had a handle on federal taxes, along come state taxes. Each state sets its own tax laws, making things tricky. State tax rates and regulations vary significantly. States like California and New York have high income tax rates. Texas and Florida have no state income tax. They make up revenue through property and sales taxes. This form determines state income tax deductions. Section 3. To tax or not to tax states with no income tax. As we mentioned earlier, a handful of states have chosen to forego state income tax altogether. These states often rely on other sources of revenue, such as sales taxes, property taxes, or revenue generated from natural resources. The rationale behind this approach varies, but it often boils down to attracting residents and businesses with the promise of lower taxes. While living in a state without income tax might sound appealing, it's essential to consider the bigger picture. These states may have higher sales taxes or property taxes to compensate for the lack of income tax revenue. Additionally, the quality and availability of public services such as education and healthcare can vary widely from state to state. It's crucial to weigh the potential tax savings against other factors that contribute to your overall quality of life. Section 4. Beyond income tax. Other ways states collect revenue. State governments are like the ultimate multitaskers, juggling a wide range of responsibilities from maintaining roads and bridges to funding schools and hospitals. To accomplish all of this, they need a steady stream of revenue, and income tax is just one piece of the puzzle. Sales tax is another significant source of revenue for many states. Every time you make a purchase, a percentage of the sale price is added to your bill and collected by the state. Some states also have property taxes, which are levied on the value of real estate, such as homes and land. These taxes can be a significant expense for homeowners and can vary widely depending on the location and value of the property. Some states also receive federal funding to support specific programs or initiatives, such as Medicaid or transportation projects. Section 5. The safety net, understanding Social Security and Medicare. Now, let's talk about two deductions on your paycheck that often cause confusion but are incredibly important: Social Security and Medicare. Think of these deductions as investments in your future well-being and the well-being of others. Social Security provides a safety net for millions of Americans, ensuring they have income after retirement, face a disability, or lose a breadwinner in the family. Medicare provides access to health care for eligible seniors and some younger individuals with disabilities. Knowing that you're contributing to a system that supports those in need, including your future self, can bring a sense of security and solidarity. Section 6. Social Security, securing your future, one paycheck at a time. Imagine this: you've worked hard your entire life, contributed to society, and now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor in retirement. Social Security aims to make this vision a reality for millions of Americans. This federal program provides retirement, disability, and survivor benefits to eligible individuals and their families, ensuring they have a source of income even when they're no longer working. It also provides crucial support to individuals who become disabled and are unable to work. These disability benefits can be a lifeline for those who can no longer earn a living, helping them cover their basic needs and maintain their independence. Survivor benefits provide essential financial assistance to surviving spouses and children, helping them cope with the loss of a loved one, and navigate the challenges of life without their primary earner. Section 7. Medicare healthcare for the golden years and beyond. As we age, access to quality healthcare becomes increasingly important. Medicare, a federal health insurance program, plays a vital role in ensuring that Americans aged 65 and older have access to the medical care they need. It also covers certain younger individuals with disabilities, providing a safety net for those who might otherwise struggle to afford healthcare. Part A covers hospital insurance, helping to pay for inpatient hospital stays, skilled nursing facility care, and some home health care. Part B covers medical insurance, including doctor's visits, outpatient care, preventive services, and some medical equipment. Medicare Advantage, also known as Part C, offers an alternative way to receive your Medicare benefits through private insurance companies. Section 8, Beyond the Essentials, exploring other paycheck deductions. So far, we've covered the big players in the world of paycheck deductions, federal income tax, state income tax, Social Security, and Medicare. But the list doesn't end there. Your pay stub might feature a whole cast of supporting characters, depending on your individual circumstances and your employer's policies. One common deduction is health insurance premiums. If your employer offers health insurance as part of your benefits package, a portion of your paycheck will likely be deducted to cover your share of the premium. This deduction ensures you and your family have access to health care without having to foot the entire bill yourself. Another common deduction is retirement contributions. Section 9. Planning for the future, retirement contributions and your paycheck. Retirement might seem like a lifetime away, but it's never too early to start planning for your financial future. One of the smartest financial moves you can make is to contribute to a retirement savings plan, and your paycheck can be your greatest ally in this endeavor. Many employers offer retirement savings plans, such as 401 KAs or 403 Bs, that allow you to make pre-tax contributions directly from your paycheck. These retirement plans often come with additional perks, such as employer matching contributions. Section 10. The fine print garnishment, child support, and other legal obligations. Life can throw unexpected curveballs, and sometimes these curveballs come in the form of legal obligations that can impact your paycheck. One such situation is wage garnishment, which occurs when a court orders your employer to withhold a portion of your earnings to pay off a debt. Wage garnishment is typically used as a last resort by creditors who have been unable to collect on a debt through other means. Another common type of paycheck deduction related to legal obligations is child support. When a court orders a parent to pay child support, the payments are often automatically deducted from their paycheck and sent to the custodial parent. This ensures that the child's financial needs are met, even if the non-custodial parent is not consistently making payments. Each payday, you receive a pay stub. This document may be a separate piece of paper or an electronic statement. It details your earnings and deductions for that pay period. At first glance, a pay stub might seem like a jumble of numbers and abbreviations. But don't worry, with a little guidance, you can easily decode this important document and gain valuable insights into your finances. Think of your pay stub as a financial report card. It summarizes your earnings, deductions, and net pay for a specific period. Understanding this document is crucial for tracking your income, verifying the accuracy of your pay, and ensuring that your taxes and other withholdings are being calculated correctly. Your pay stub typically consists of several key sections, each containing important information about your earnings and deductions. The first section usually identifies you and your employer, including your names, addresses, and social security number. This section also includes the pay period covered by the pay stub, which is essential for reconciling your earnings and tracking your income over time. As you delve deeper into your pay stub, you'll likely encounter a whole new vocabulary of financial terms and abbreviations. Don't let these cryptic codes intimidate you. Once you understand the meaning behind these terms, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of pay stub interpretation. One term you'll frequently see is gross pay, which refers to your total earnings before any deductions. This is the amount you would receive if you didn't have any taxes, insurance premiums, or other withholdings taken out of your paycheck. Unfortunately, this figure is often more of a dream than a reality, as deductions can significantly reduce the amount of money you actually take home. Another important term is net pay, which is the amount of money you actually receive in your paycheck after all deductions have been subtracted from your gross pay. This is the figure you'll want to pay close attention to, as it represents your take-home pay, the money you have available to cover your expenses and achieve your financial goals. Reading your pay stub carefully isn't just about understanding where your money is going, it's also about protecting yourself from potential errors. Mistakes can happen, and it's your responsibility to catch them early. Review the number of hours listed on your pay stub to ensure they match your time records. If you notice any discrepancies, notify your employer immediately. Make sure all deductions listed are authorized and accurate. If you see unfamiliar deductions, inquire about them. It's your hard-earned money, and you have the right to know where it's going. By reviewing your pay stub each pay period, you can address any errors promptly. Understanding your pay stub empowers you to take control of your earnings and protect your financial well-being. Congratulations! You've made it through the labyrinth of paycheck deductions. You're now equipped to decipher those cryptic pay stubs and understand where your hard-earned money goes. Remember that paycheck isn't just a piece of paper, it's a reflection of your hard work and a key component of your financial well-being. By understanding the ins and outs of federal and state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and other potential deductions, you're empowered to take control of your finances. You can make informed decisions about your withholdings, plan for your financial future, and ensure you're not overpaying your taxes. Remember that knowledge is power, and understanding your paycheck is a crucial step towards financial literacy and independence. So, continue to educate yourself, ask questions, and advocate for your financial well-being. By taking charge of your paycheck, you're taking charge of your financial journey.